In this video, we'll discuss about the how we can print hello world in JavaScript. If you are learning any new programming language, at first you have to understand about the how we can print the hello world in any programming language, right? In this video, I'll show you at first how we can print the hello world in console. After that, we'll discuss about the how we can print hello world in Notepad, and also we'll discuss about the how we can print hello world in Visual Studio Code. At first, just go to the any browser and just right click there and click on the inspect. After clicking on the inspect, you will get this interface and just click on the console button. And after clicking on the console button, if you want to print hello world or any message to the screen, or you can say the console, then just type here the console.log, right? And if you give any message here, console, I'm writing here hello world and semicolon. Semicolon is not compulsory here, but try to put semicolon at the end of your code, right? And if I press enter here, now I got the hello world. If you are learning the JavaScript as your first programming language, then you can make JavaScript as the first programming language. There isn't any problem, because if you learn the JavaScript at first, it will cover all the basic concepts and the advanced concept that needs to learn in programming, right? So you can see here, we have printed out the hello world. And if you want to print any message, not only the hello world, if you want to print the text message, numeric message, or any types of format of message, you can print here using the console.log. If I want to print the any other message like UN as well, the console.log. And if I want to write here the hello UNIVERS universe, and if I put the semicolon and if I press enter, now I got the hello universe. If you have to do the mathematical calculation here, you can do it by yourself, right? If I type here the 8 multiplied by 9, and if I press enter, 8 9s are 72, right? If you want to use calculator, then also you can use here by going into the console button, right? And if you want to clear this your code, just click here and again write your code from scratch. Now you have learned about how we can print hello world in console, right? After that, if you want to print the JavaScript hello world in Notepad, then just open the Notepad. Just search the Notepad in your search bar there, and just type some HTML code here. At first, just type the HTML. At first, you have to put something into your mind, right? We have learned about the CSS video series and also the HTML video series. And inside if you want to add CSS into the HTML document, then we can add CSS into three ways. One is the inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Likewise, if you want to add JavaScript into your HTML document, there is one is the script tag, and you can write the JavaScript code inside the script tag. And another way is using the external JavaScript file. We'll discuss it about later. But first of all, again, create here the another HTML element, that is title, title, title. And inside the title, I want to write here the hello world in JS. And after writing the hello world in JS, I want to close this title title. And after that, I want to create here the head. Right. At first, just type here the head, and also just close the head here. And after closing head, just create here the body, and just close the body here. And if you want to write any message to the browser, then just type here the script, and then just close the script tag here, script. And one thing you have to put into your mind, if you see any script tag inside the HTML document, then that inside the script tag is the JavaScript code. So always put it into your mind that if you are seeing anything inside the script tag, that is the JavaScript code, right? And if you want to print hello world or any message to the browser, then just type this document document.write write ln, or you can simply type only the document.write. But if you type the document.write ln, then it makes your code more readable, right? So just type here the hello and then the code. And if I put semicolon here and I want to save this code, and I'm giving the name as hello world.wo or world.html, right? and I want to go into this saved folder, and I want to click this hello world, this file, and I haven't seen anything here. I'm just refreshing here. I just have to go again into this code. What's wrong here? Okay, this is body, and then the document dot write ln, right? I'm writing here document dot write ln, and I'm saving this code using the HTML extension. That's the state document 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 dot write write ln, right? Okay, I just want to remove this ln part and again go to the browser and refresh the page. Nothing is happening here. Okay, again go to here and just recheck this code, right? I think there is HTML head title. Okay, this title is closed here. Title is closed here. And if I again go to the browser and if I refresh this page, now I got this hello world. So sometimes you have to debug your code it by yourself, right? Sometimes we may write this the mistake, the title name or the any syntax over there. So we have to check it again and again. So this is the simple, that error. We got the error always, right? We always got the error, and we have to solve that error, and we have to move again ahead, right? So now we have seen about how we can print the hello world in the Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio Code, Notepad, and also in the browser, right? We have also seen about the browser and then the Notepad. Now let's see about how we can print hello world in VS Code. It's all the same way to print the hello world in VS Code, but VS Code makes our code shorter, right? If I want to open this Visual Studio Code, at first I've created here JavaScript in English folder. I want to open this folder in Visual Studio. So I'm clicking on the open with code options from there, and this code is opening. This file is opening here. This folder is opening here. I have to create here the file name. If you want to learn more about the Visual Studio Code, then you can watch my C# video series, and at that video series I have talked about the how we can install and then the how we can download and install the Visual Studio Code, and also how we can open our folder file in a different way. So if you want to learn more about the Visual Studio Code, then just go to the C# video series and just learn from there, right? And I'm creating here index.html. This is my file name, and I want to use here the boilerplates by pressing just this semicolon and not semicolon, exclamatory marks. And I want to change this document into hello world in JavaScript, hello world in JS, and after that I want to use here use the script tag and just type here document dot write ln. Okay, and after that I want to write here the hello world message, hello world, and you can put the semicolon at the end, but this is not compulsory, right? And if I want to run this code by clicking on the go live options from here, this code is running, and if you see here, now I got this hello world. So in 3 ways you can print the hello world in JavaScript, right? I have talked about how you can print hello world in JavaScript in console, and also we have talked about the Notepad and also in the Visual Studio Code. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.